So here we are today at the Solvang Custom Knife Show. We're here to meet the makers, and we're here to see what Swenson Knives has left on the table. So please tell us about what you got on the table.
Well, what you're looking at here is a lockback whittler based off of the case bows pattern with Mike Tyree feather Damascus blades, integral 416 liners, premium natural stag, and a matching shield.
So would this be considered a discussion?
Escutcheon. That's what that is. That is we just call it a shield, but I believe the proper term is escutcheon.
And that is
it's also feather Damascus.
That's feather Damascus. That's a great attention to detail. That's a fine looking knife.
Thank you.
It's a fine looking knife. All right, so if people would like to get a hold of you, how would they do that?
The best way to get a hold of me is through Instagram at Swenson Knives, or on the Facebook group Swenson Handmade Knives.
We'll come over here and zoom in on this. I tell you what, this is one of those knives that you could take and carve an apple and dispense wisdom. That's right. Because we're all going to be old men one day, and we have to dispense our wisdom somehow, and why not while eating an apple with a fine knife from Swenson Knives. All right, thank you so much, and have a nice day.